Move like flick, move like flick, move like.
But I need my brows to do that. My eyebrows, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get, you know, perfectly arched, shaped brows, even when your brows are not shaped. I understand some people don't like to tweeze, and some people don't like putting hair removing cream on their face. So I'm just showing you, you know, a couple of tricks and how to like change your brow shape as well. So these are my brows. I have not shaped them for 2 months now. They're quite bushy and messy. Brow brush, which is Jeffree's own Stars collab with Morphe. And this is the brush JS7. I use pomade to do my brows. And the dip brow that I've been using lately is the Anastasia dip brow. I've gone back to it in the shade Ebony. For a minute before this, I used to use the Benefit cream brow gel, the shade number 6. Sometimes you will see me wearing this, and sometimes you will see me wearing this product. Okay, those are the only 2 dip brows I use on a regular basis. So I kind of try to find that arch in my brow, even though it's clearly doing this. I'm trying to find that arch. As time goes by and you get used to doing this, it will be easy for you to find your arch, and you just be able to do it without actually trying to look for it. I just take a tiny bit of the dip brow on my brush, and I start from, and so just before the tail of my eyebrow, and I like to go in tiny strokes. I'm not going to tell you, oh, don't be neat. The neater that this step is, the better that your eyebrow will come out after you conceal it. So yeah, you just want to kind of make sure this is neat as possible. The tail, I don't make it too neat because sometimes the tail looks sharper when I do it like that, because I don't have the most steady hands. I don't have steady hands like that, so I'll probably mess up the neat tail if I do the tail neat. This just works for me, by the way. As I get to the beginning of my eyebrows, the beginning
Ini the beginning.
I don't like to put that much product coming towards here, so I basically have no product here. And afterwards, what I do, as you can see, is a bit blocky, so you can kind of see where I start to get a bit lighter with my brow. I just kind of like blend that, the front bit especially, just go back and like perfect it a bit. So underneath my brow, I like to go in with a bit of the dip brow, as I feel like it looks a bit more precise after I put the concealer around. What I use around my eyebrows, I like this small rounded concealer brush. Concealer brush is dry, wet it a bit with setting spray water and just press it down so it's as thin as possible, so you can really get up into your brow, because that's what you want. Do you feel me? I want it to be nice and clean, you know, when the concealer goes on. So when I'm doing my concealer, I try to go in like small strokes again. I start from the arch bit. I just find it more easier, should I say, to kind of control, you know, control the shape of my brows and stuff. Some people will get here and be like, I'm quite happy with this brow, I'm just gonna leave it and start blending out. Me, no, I like to now to go in, and this is when I really start detailing the shape of my brow. Like here, I like to make that as close as possible to where the hair starts, because I feel like it comes out way much better than leaving that space there. That's when you get the pop of boxy eyebrows that we don't want. Well, I don't want that. And as I get further, I like to blend it down. Do you see like what we basically just did? Like we have a very smooth, neat application, and we haven't even done the top of the brow yet. Do you understand? I do like to put my concealer a bit forward just so I can give more of a faded look. My eyebrows are actually naturally far apart from each other, so this just also builds an illusion. So what we're doing is shape shifting here, so this also is an illusion that my brows are kind of closer for me anyway. So this is what I do, this is what works for my face. I try my best to start from this point right here, as I found like when I start from the beginning, sometimes it can kind of mess up my shape and I will go a bit wonky. So instead of using the size of the brush, I'll use the edge of my brush to conceal the top of my brows. Today I'm feeling quite British, so I'm not even putting on an American accent today, you know? Okay, this is a great brow, but I kind of want it bit less boxy. I want it more like I need my eyebrows to be more like a snake, more like a snake.
Move like a snake, move like a snake, move like a snake, move like
but I need my brows to do that, you know what I mean? So I just kind of keep going and just keep defining, you know, just small strokes, because you don't want to mess it up. I don't want a brow being thicker than the other, but I don't really mind the shape so long as they're sitting on the same level, because you don't want one brow looking like it's up here and then looking like it's down there. What is the point? What's the point? Why would you mess up your features like that? So you want to join your brows together, and when you put the concealer on, you can still go over it with more product, eyebrow product, and it won't turn purple, any greenish color. As you can see here, I'm just correcting and extending the tail because, you know, I kind of fucked up. Other pomade that I do recommend that is a bit cheaper is the Revolution. That's the best drugstore pomade I've ever tried. So I get my eyebrows to be the same length, but it doesn't exactly have to be the same shape, you know what I mean? So now what I'm doing is just showing you how I blend. This is a fluffy eyeshadow brush that I'm using. I prefer to use this size because it doesn't mess up my brow or whatever. The concealer that I'm using, which is in the shade Fawn, is quite close to my skin tone, so I could literally wear it like this if I really wanted to. So I just really want to show you all the steps in like the blending process, so I'm just going to leave this video here and let it play out. When I get to the in-between part, I like to kind of brush down, and as I get closer to the front of my brow, I kind of brush like sideways. I don't want the harsh line to be there, but just to make sure I don't take away that, you know, fade. Whilst recording, I did realize one brow is darker than the other, so I'm going to show you how to fix that. If you feel like at the front your brows are a bit dense, you can just go pat the concealer a bit more in to your brow, and you get more of a fade. Last step but not least, what I do is set my brows. I don't actually use a brow gel, but I use Got2b glue to set my brows. That's the only thing that can hold my brows in place. I have very bushy brows. So I just spray some of that.
All I'm really doing now is just brushing my hairs into place, and we are done. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.